Hey, good morning. This is August the 3rd, 29th, Saturday morning. We get ready to leave, so we take a bus ride going back to Quezon City. First thing we're going to do, we're going to get a nutritious breakfast, and we're going to be on our way. Yeah, we're going to do it. It's raining again today. Yep, see? Rain, rain, rain. It was raining here Sunday. We got here. It was only a good day on Christmas. We're gonna deal with it, because we're gonna be back in Quezon City later tonight. I'm gonna film up you on the bus and everything. Right now, we gotta get up, go eat. All right, come on. And life in the Philippines, as I said, we want to tell you about that little restaurant we went to last night, right across from Carlitos. Yep, it's just walking distance. Got a video about it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description to link you to his Facebook page so you can send him a message and everything, and mention me and my channel, and he might give you a discount. Can't guarantee it, but he might. All right, we're gonna put the link in the description so you can contact him. That's a nice restaurant here in Baler Aurora, right across from Carlitos Hotel. It's a good place, reasonable prices, and they have karaoke, and it's a family-oriented place, and it's a wonderful place. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the link in the description to link you to it. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, here's the breakfast on Saturday morning. Yeah, nice. Mom got eggs and sausage and coffee. We got this. Then we got the food. Eating food already. Get coffee. So we're gonna eat. All right. In this room before we leave, here's the bathroom. Yeah, nice bathroom. Yeah, got a nice bed. Here's the room. That's the door. You have television with cable and everything, so everything's good. It's $1,200 a night. It's about $7,200 for the week from Sunday to Saturday, so it's all good. You get free continental breakfast. All right, we're gone. We'll get you in a minute. We're going to the bus station. go. There's the bus. Is it on the bus? Yep, it's good. Get on bus. Yep. Can we get on?
Yeah. You want to go to restroom?
No, I'm fine. I'm ready.
Sure.
Yep. About as ready as I'll ever be. You gonna put that one under there?
Huh? What's that? The laptop? Yep. You want to put it inside?
Put that one under.
What's that?
What's in that one? What's in that?
The iPad,
So what's that?
that's the laptop.
Laptop?
Yep.
You don't want to put it there. Because if it falls over, you see how he's got it. Because when the bus goes, it's going to fall over. If it damages it, it's you. I'm telling you.
Oh, laptop pala yun? Oo.
Dumating na yung ano.
Well, I'm telling you, don't put that up under there. Because you can't,
I asked you.
because if he hits a bump and that thing goes down, that's it.
Yeah.
You can't deal with that jarring.
Is your laptop also?
No, mine is here. That's why I won't put it under. The other one just had my clothes and stuff. It's expensive in that black bag. You want to put that one under there, whatever. But see, she's got one in one and one in the other. Yeah, I know. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let her go first because she got the bags. Let's go.
Let's go.
Gonna get wet here because it's raining. Rainy today. Got no cool red. Excuse me. Are we going here or behind? We'll go here. Right here. This good?
Your mom is sitting here outside.
Sit over there. You want me to sit at the window?
You want?
Yeah, I'll switch with it. I made it like a bus. I'm on the bus now, watching TV. Yeah, I'm on the bus. Yeah, I'm on the bus now, ready to go. Yeah, we're on the bus. We're on the bus, ready to go. Yeah, I got a little wet. Messed up my hair, but it's okay. Good. Yeah, get the lady. Put it on the bus. Yeah, we're on the bus. Yeah, ready to go. Bus. Yeah, got TV going. I'm trying to override it. Yeah, don't want to talk too loud. We're here on the bus. Yeah. Okay. Get the lady. Like a limousine. Hey, this is Wayne, Life in the Philippines as I see it, coming at you. Yes, we made it home from Baler Aurora. We had a wonderful time. I want to appreciate everybody that tuned into my live streams. I am apologizing for the signal there. It rained ever since we got there on Sunday. We got there Sunday at 4 a.m. in the morning. It started raining. We checked into the Carlitos Inn. Yeah, and it rained all day Sunday there. And we went out, gonna go out Monday. The rain stopped a little bit. We went out. And then Tuesday was Christmas, and on the 25th, so we went down to the folks' house, you know, the family and everything. Spent a good day with them. Sunshine was there and everything. And you know, other than that, you know, I tried to do a live stream from the beach and everything. You know, the live stream is all messed up and everything. I'm really sorry. About the signal there because Baler, Providence, I said we went to see the Christmas lights, you know, on the 25th. You know, we're going to see the Christmas lights, you know, before we left to go back, you know, to Baler because Belma's family, mom and everybody lives in Maria. And that's, you know, about, I don't know, 25, 30 kilometers, you know, from town, from Baler. So we went on down, you know, and we went out there to see the lights. I got a little bit of it. You'll see in the video, and then we got a brownout. And the brownout, you know, could last a day or 2 or 3 hours or whatever. It was bad. But we made the best of it, and then we went to the beach today. That beach, you know, and did a live stream from there. And I tried to do one uptown, but the signal, you know, it's just not that good. I mean, I was running on the Globe data plan. You know, you get I get a 500 peso card, you know, and I loaded on the data, but it did okay. And then I tried the pocket Wi-Fi, but then it started raining, you know, the next day on Thursday, and it rained on Friday. So when it slacked off, we went and got something to eat at that restaurant, you know, and I got the video on it. That was a nice restaurant that just opened in December. So all in all, the trip was good. We made the best of it, and I'm glad everyone tuned in, you know, for live streams. I will do more live streams, you know. I got a pocket Wi-Fi, you know. I had to get the pocket Wi-Fi. It didn't work out channel too good, but hopefully it'll work around here in Quezon City. And I will do more live streams as much as I can, not to disappoint you. Yeah, because I know y'all like live streams, and I want to appreciate y'all bearing with me. So remember, this is Wayne, Live in the Philippines as I see it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share the love. And don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already subscribed to my channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I appreciate you supporting me. Because I'm going to bring more content, and we'll go more places. I'm going to do my best, and I promise you that. Because I owe it to you. I appreciate you subscribing to me. All right. This is Wayne, Live in the Philippines, as I see it, saying, God bless you and peace, and Happy New Year to you. Yeah. Peace.